So do you know what I've realised? I think my garage is like one of the vanishing cabinets. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, XV and the GSXR. Definitely all there. Let's try something new. Oh, that's not the bolt. What's that? Is that a new toy? Stay tuned and let's take a look, eh? What's up, guys? Well, today is a bit of a strange day. We're going to pick up a new toy. So first things first, I need to make some room in the garage, and the XV is going up my dad's. So let's drag the old girl out and kick her in. Well folks, that's it. The XV's been dropped off at the dad's, and I feel a little bit like a parent that's kicked the kids out, you know, kicked them off to university because the XV's bedroom's empty. And there's only one thing for it. Like I said, we've got to fill that with a new toy. So my dad's going to give me a lift. We're off to Leicester Way, which is about just over an hour away from where I live. So I'm going to pick up with you when I get there and we will see the new toy. I cannot wait. Before I do let you go and before I do jump in the car, I know I've already put a sneak peek of the bike out in the beginning of the video, and I'm probably going to post some pictures on Instagram and Facebook. But if you've not seen any of that, without cheating, go and leave a comment down below as to what you think the bike will be. And while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up, because I need the moral support. The XV's gone. Let's just go fetch a new toy. About a mile out from where we're going. Like I said, picking up a new toy today. Now I don't know if you're going to guess the bike itself. Some people might know, but you'll definitely guess the brand when we pull up outside the garage. Well, that's a nice house. One day, we've just been talking about if we win the lottery, so hopefully tonight I win. But yeah. So we'll pull up in a minute. I'm not going to film while we're inside there, just because it's, you know, I've got to sign some paperwork, pay a substantial amount of money. Hopefully the wife doesn't figure out how much it's spent. But yeah, once we've got it, I'll do some explaining. Might get some clips of the ride home, but I'll catch you probably when I've got the keys. Exciting. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, what a day. What a day. Talk about a roller coaster of emotions. I can't describe it. You know, first of all, we kicked the XV out of the garage, and then we purchased something that is so beautiful. I instantly found love. The moment I saw it, I instantly found love, and I'm really sorry I didn't film more. The reason behind it is nothing more than sheer excitement. Pulled up outside the garage, there she was in all her glory, and I drooled over. Do you want to take a look? let's see if you guessed right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's a Mercedes. Got you. Okay, so the bike we have chosen is none other than a Kawasaki Z1000 SX. There she is, a Kawasaki. I own a Kawasaki Z1000 SX. This is the biggest purchase I've ever made. She's a 2018, so relatively new. I picked her up 2,800 miles, practically new. That's less than 1,000 miles a year. And look at it, she is spotless. Just look at that paintwork. So you might all be wondering, Jez, what made you go for the Z1000? Well, those of you that have been following the channel, we recently got back from Scotland and we did the North Coast 500. The XV performed beautifully. Everything I asked her to do, she did it. But I pushed that bike to the edge of what I can ride it. Me personally, I'm not saying that it hasn't got more in it. It's a more than capable bike. It's just what I could physically get out of it. So I needed something with a bit more poke, and this is what we chose. Now, more importantly, I haven't got them on at the moment, but it does come with integrated bags that just fit into the grab rail there, and that gives me over 50 litres worth of luggage space. Now, yes, okay, we took the sissy bar bag, which fitted everything I needed. For a week's tour, it did everything I needed. But I need something that's a little bit more comfortable, a little bit more powerful. And you know what? Look at the size of this tank. This is a 19 litre tank. I'm going to get 180 mile fuel range compared to the 110, 120 I was getting on the XV. There were a few moments when we went round Skye that there were no fuel stations. And I couldn't deal with the anxiety. I just couldn't. There was also a few occasions where we sneakily tried to overtake a few cars and nearly got caught short, and to be honest, I needed something that was a little bit quicker. And this, not only does it look like it's going 100 miles an hour while it's standing still, it's literally the quickest thing I've ever rode. And my bike history, okay, isn't that vast, but this is over 1,000cc. This is 140 odd brake horsepower, I believe. She is more than capable. And actually, when I got there, the bloke stuck it in low power mode for me, and it still sent tingles up my spine. So God knows what it's going to be like when I put it in full power. Now at the minute, I need some time to process things. Like I said, massive roller coaster of emotions today. So what I'm going to do is give you a quick walk around and let you take it all in, and then I'm going to put her to bed because I need some sleep. I mean, she doesn't need to get any more beautiful, let's face it, but we haven't got time to take her for a ride tonight. I will do shortly, and I'll take you guys for the journey. But before I sign off for the day, two things. One, we will have 2 more episodes of the NC 500 tour. We've only got 2 more left out of the 5 days that we were there, because managed to lose all of Thursday, and funnily enough, not just me, Russ has as well. She's a little bit spooky that we've both got different cameras and both managed to lose all of Thursday's footage. So we've only got Wednesday and Friday, and Wednesday's blacking the bar on the XV. Yes, you heard it right, we did blacken the bar on the XV950, so that's coming. The next episode after this is going to be the Auto Bright Big Summer Bash, or Big Summer Meet, whatever they've referred to it as. I'll put a link in the description below. If you've got time, it is on Sunday the 18th of July. Do pop up. The address will be on the Auto Bright website. I'll be there, and I am going to be showing the Z1000 in the show and shine, because I don't know if you can pick it up, but she is sparkly, and I really want to win. So I'm going to take the bike with the best looking paint. Not that the XV is ugly, but this is another level. So I've rambled on for far too long, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please do go like and subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon.